the first topic we will be tackling, we will be solving the reorder point or the ROP. To get this, we will have the formula usage times lead time plus safety stock, where the usage is how many stocks we'll use. The next is lead time, how long it will arrive or deliver. Safety stock, extra inventory, cap or cover unexpected demand or delays. So we have an example here. If the company's expected delay usage is 100 bottles of wine, the anticipated delivery is 6 to 10 days. When will the company place the order or reorder point? So this is how you solve it. So 100 bottles per day times 6 to 10 days plus 100 bottles per day times 4. 100 times 6 days plus 100 times 4. So why 6 days? Because this is the minimum days. You have to times multiply this. 100 times 6 is equals to 600. Next is 100 times 4 is equals to 400. And you have to add this too. So 600 plus 400, you get 1,000. So this is your ROP, 1,000 bottles of wine. So therefore, the company should make the order when the level of inventory is 1,000 bottles. You place the order in June 13 and your lead time is 6 to 10 days. Your order will arrive or expected to arrive in June 19. It's the 6 days minimum order lead time. This is your safety stock dates, June 19 to June 23, which is 4 days. So the next lesson we will be tackling is how to get the EOQ, where O is the cost of placing an order or ordering cost, N is the number of units required annually, and C, the annual carrying cost per unit per inventory. So we have an example here. The number of jars of honey required annually is 10,000, and the cost of placing an order is 10 pesos, and then the annual carrying cost per year jar of inventory is 0.80. So the O here, or the ordering cost, is 10 pesos times 10,000 jars, which is the number of units required annually, divided by 0.80. So when you solve this, first is 2 times 10 equals 200, times 10,000 is 200,000, and you have to divide it by 8.80 pesos. So the answer here is 250 pesos. And the next step is you have to get the square root of 250,000, which you will get the answer of 500 jars. So the next step is letter B, where this is the number of orders per year. So 10,000 jars divided by 500 jars, 10,000 jars divided by 500 jars. So the number of orders is equal to 20 orders. Step 3, or the letter C, we have to get the total ordering cost per year. So here, the 20 orders times 10 pesos. The 10 pesos is already given in the example. 20 times 10, the answer, or the total ordering cost per year, is 200 pesos. Or the fourth step, letter D, is we have to get the average inventory. So the next step, or the fourth step, letter D, is we have to get the average inventory. So if we recall the step 1, or letter A, we get this answer 500 jars, which is the EOQ, divided by 2. So divided by 2 is cannot be changed. It is as is already. So if we solve this 500 jars divided by 2, we get the answer. Our average inventory is 250 jars. The next one is the step 5. So here, 250 jars. So where did we get the 250 jars? Here in letter D, the answer of the average inventory. So we have to times it with the carrying cost, which is already given, the 0.80 pesos. So when we solve this, 250 jars times 8.80 pesos, we get the TCC equals 200 pesos. The last solution, or the last step, letter F. So we have to get the total cost. So to be able to get this, we have here the given 200 pesos. So the total ordering cost, which is we solve here, letter C, the answer is 200 pesos plus the TCC. Here we get it from the total carrying cost per year. So if we solve this, 200 pesos plus 200 pesos, we have the answer of 400 pesos. So this is our total cost.